Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
वालेकुम अज़ीज़ तलबा तालिबा सर अब्दुल सत्तार खान इस यूट्यूब चैनल में आप तमाम का इस्तकबाल है। नाइन्थ इंग्लिश फर्स्ट टर्म सॉल्व क्वेश्चन पेपर क्वेश्चन आंसर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन है। स्टेट बोर्ड एक्टिविटी शीट स्टैंडर्ड नाइन्थ स्टैंडर्ड का है। सब्जेक्ट ये थर्ड लैंग्वेज है। 80 मार्क्स के लिए टाइम है 3 घंटे। सेक्शन फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज स्टडी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ए डू एज डायरेक्टेड अटेम्प्ट एनी फॉर 8 मार्क्स complete the following words by using correct letters. 2 put the following words in alphabetical order 2 marks. Epic, right, able, heart, passion, profound, premier, pain. Punctuate the following sentences. Sentence है What's that said Kamal Kishore. Maybe you are right muttered Ramlal. Fourth है Make 4 words minimum 3 letters each using the letters in the word granddaughter. Fifth है Write the related words as shown in the example. Country, rage. Complete the following word chain of verbs. Add 4 words each beginning with the last letter of the previous letter. Speak. Answer to question 1a. Start, slave, great, force. 2. Able, epic, heart, right. Pain, passion, premier, profound. थर्ड है थर्ड का फर्स्ट है व्हाट्स दैट सैड कमल किशोर। सेकेंड है मे बी यू आर राइट मटर्ड रामलाल। फोर्थ है ग्रैंड डॉटर रैन राडार। फिफ्थ है रिलेटेड वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं कंट्री रिच कंट्री डेवलप्ड कंट्री डेवलपिंग कंट्री लार्ज कंट्री नेबरिंग कंट्री। सिक्स्थ है स्पीक कीप पुट टेक अर्न। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का बी है डू एज डायरेक्टेड 2 मार्क्स। फर्स्ट है अटेम्प्ट एनी वन मेक मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बाय यूजिंग द फ्रेज टू विश फॉर। बी एड अ क्लॉज टू एक्सपैंड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस मीनिंगफुली यू विल गेट सक्सेस। सेकेंड है अटेम्प्ट एनी वन। ए एड अ प्रेफिक्स और सफिक्स टू मेक न्यू वर्ड्स 1 complete 2 lucky or B make a meaningful sentence using any one of the following words 1 complete 2 lucky। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के बी के आंसर्स है 1 ए आई विश फॉर अ बेटर वर्ल्ड टू लिव इन और बी यू विल गेट सक्सेस इफ यू वर्क हार्ड। 2 ए का फर्स्ट है इनकम्प्लीट सेकेंड अनलकी और बी फर्स्ट है आई वॉन्ट टू कंप्लीट माई असाइनमेंट सून सेकेंड है आई एम लकी डैट आई हैव सच ग्रेट पेरेंट्स। सेक्शन सेकेंड टेक्सचुअल पैसेजेस है 20 मार्क्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का ए है रीड द पैसेज एंड डू द एक्टिविटीज। A1 चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्स एंड कंप्लीट। फर्स्ट है इन रशिया टी इज मेड एंड सर्व्ड इन डैश इसका आंसर है सम आवर्स। सेकेंड है इन जापान टी इज मेड यूजिंग डैश इसका आंसर है ग्रीन टी। थर्ड है इन इंडिया टी इज सर्व्ड एज अ टोकन ऑफ इसका आंसर है बी हॉस्पिटैलिटी। फोर्थ है इन इंडिया टी इज मेड इन स्मॉल डैश टी पॉट्स इसका आंसर है क्ले टी पॉट्स। A2 complete the following feature of Chinese tea ceremonies are cups are only half filled। सेकेंड है rest of the cup must be dash इसका आंसर है filled with friendship and affection। In most areas of China the tea is made in small clay teapots। At tea ceremonies cups are only half filled। The Chinese believe that the rest of the cup must be filled with friendship and affection। In Russia, tea is made and served in samovars, a special Russian tea kettle made of metal। Vietnam produces special varieties of tea such as lotus tea and jasmine tea। In Japan, tea is made using powdered green tea called matcha। The tea is mixed with boiled water using a bamboo whisk and served in small bowls। And how about India? A cup of tea is offered to any guest or visitor as a token of hospitality, even in the humblest of homes। Most Indians like their tea hot with a good deal of milk and sugar in it। In the rainy season, it is brewed with ginger to give its additional medicinal properties. Others add spices like cardamom, cloves, or mace to add to its taste and flavor. Tea is a must after a plate of spicy snacks, especially in the morning and evenings. Some connoisseurs relish delicately flavored jasmine tea, green tea, lemon tea, and even iced tea. How about you? A3 है find out any four compound words from the passage. A4 fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions in the brackets. Tea is served in a small clay pot. Second है tea is mixed with boiled water. Third है a cup of tea is offered to any guest or visitor. Fourth है it is brewed with ginger. Fifth question है what is your favorite beverage and why? कंपाउंड वर्ड है फर्स्ट है हाफ फील्ड, सेकंड फ्रेंडशिप्स, थर्ड एवरग्रीन, फोर्थ ब्लड प्रेशर, फिफ्थ एवरीडे, सिक्स रेनफॉल. What is the best choice for quenching your thirst? Coffee and tea without added sweeteners are healthy choices too. Some beverages should be limited or consumed in moderation, including fruit juice, milk, and those made with low calorie sweeteners like diet drinks. So, my favorite beverage is water. Question number 2 का B है read the passage and do the activities. B1 true or false. फर्स्ट है मार्गी always hated school. True. Second है the mechanical teacher had been giving her tests in history. False. Third है county inspector gave Margie an apple. True. Third है the school teacher calculated the marks in no time. True. B2 describe the county inspector with the help of passage. इसका आंसर है he was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with wires and repaired the mechanical teacher. County inspector was a short and the round man who has a red face. Margie always hated school but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how and all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Before do as directed, choose the correct tail tag. Margie always hated school. इसका आंसर है didn't she. Change the following sentence into affirmative. That wasn't so bad. इसका आंसर है that was so good. B3 match the describing words with nouns from the passage. Little, mechanical, big, read. Which is your favorite subject in the school? Why? Read the stanza and do the activities. B3 का आंसर है little man, mechanical teacher, big screen, red face. My favorite subject in school is mathematics. It is my favorite because I never have difficulty with it and always get good marks in tests. I suppose I am lucky to be born with a clear thinking brain. While mathematics is simple to me, some of my friends have great difficulty with it. A1 complete it. The poet has compared the bird with hope. Second, the bird sings the tune without words. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. and sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abase the little bird that kept so many warm. A to match the following: hope, gale, storm, keep, warm, soar. A3, pick out the lines of figures of speech, alliteration from the stanza. Answers है hope, bird, gale, storm, difficulties, problems, keep warm, provide comfort, soar, gale, storm. Examples of alliteration है and sings the tune without the words. Without and words W ये अल्फ़ाबेट है, इसका साउंड रिपीट हुआ है. एंड सोर मस्ट बी द स्टॉर्म. सोर और स्टॉर्म इसमें एस का साउंड रिपीट हुआ है. ये एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एलिट्रेशन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3b, राइट एन एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द पोएम विद द हेल्प ऑफ गिवन पॉइंट्स. टाइटल, पोएट, राइम स्कीम, फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच, थीम, सेंट्रल आइडिया in 2 to 3 lines. Walk a little slower. Walk a little slower, Daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast, sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for you are leading me. Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me, and I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for I must follow you. Author unknown. Appreciation of the poem है. सबसे पहले देखेंगे टाइटल. द टाइटल ऑफ द पोएम इज वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर. सेकेंड है पोएट, ऑथर. The poem is written by an anonymous unknown poet. Third है rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the poem is A, B, C, B. Fourth है favorite lines. My favorite lines from the poem are I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Sixth है figures of speech. The figures of speech in the poem is a metaphor. Fifth है theme, central idea. The importance of the father as a role model is the central idea of the poem. The child in the poem wants to observe and imitate the life led by her father. Hence, the child requests the father to be more considerate towards her needs. Question number 4 का A है. Read the following passage and do the activities. 10 marks. A1, fill in the blanks. Dash, wastes are not being managed properly. Dash of garbage is one of the most important services. Third, at present, dash of Delhi's landmass is being choked by the garbage. Fourth, dash are managing solid wastes for at least 25,000 Delhiites. पहले पैराग्राफ पढ़ेंगे, फिर उसके बाद आंसर्स देखेंगे. इट इज़ ऑब्वियस फ्रॉम द विजिबल गार्बेज अराउंड सो डैट सॉलिड वेस्ट आर नॉट बीइंग मैनेज्ड प्रॉपरली. However, housing colonies are the most disorganized sector as far as garbage is concerned. As a result, the legal garbage dumps are overflowing and the number of illegal garbage dumps in the bylanes, parks and roadsides are on the increase in most colonies of Delhi, and for that matter in all Indian cities. At present, 5% of Delhi's landmass is being choked by the garbage. This 5% has become a wasteland, its utility is steadily declining and soil quality is deteriorating. Besides being eyesores, these garbage dumps pose health and environment hazard for the 10 million people who live in Delhi. They are breeding grounds for the germs of infectious diseases like plague, tuberculosis, dysentery, diarrhea, eye infections, and numerous skin ailments. Scientific management of garbage thus is one of the most important services that need to be regularized in all residential colonies. After exploring all viable solutions to this problem, I have successfully launched an indigenous scheme cleaning brigades in many colonies of Delhi. The cleaning brigades are managing solid wastes for at least 25,000 Delhiites a year and a half back, the first cleaning brigade was launched during the Asiad. Since then, it has been constantly expanding. A2 complete the following web. Ill effects of garbage. A3 find from the passage the antonyms of invisible, problems, legal, inclining. Do as directed. These garbage dumps pose health and environment hazards. Rewrite the sentence using as well as. Second, the first cleaning brigade was launched during the Asiad. Frame a question to get the underlined part as an answer. A5 personal response. Suggest any 4 solutions for overcoming the problem of garbage. आंसर्स है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का ए है। A1 आंसर है सॉलिड वेस्ट आर नॉट बीइंग मैनेज्ड प्रॉपरली। सेकेंड है साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट ऑफ गार्बेज इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सर्विसेज। थर्ड है एट प्रेजेंट 5% ऑफ Delhi's लैंड मास इज बीइंग चोक्ड बाय द गार्बेज। फोर्थ है द क्लीनिंग ब्रिगेड्स आर मैनेजिंग सॉलिड वेस्ट फॉर एट लीस्ट 25,000 Delhiites। A2 है लैंड बिकम्स वेस्टलैंड। इल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ गार्बेज। फर्स्ट है लैंड बिकम्स वेस्टलैंड, सॉइल क्वालिटी डिटोरिएट्स, लैंड बिकम्स ब्रीडिंग ग्राउंड्स फॉर जर्म्स ऑफ इन्फेक्शियस डिसीजेस, इट पोजेस हेल्थ एंड एनवायरमेंटल हजार्ड्स। A3 है अपोजिट वर्ड्स है इनविजिबल, विजिबल, प्रॉब्लम्स, सॉल्यूशंस, लीगल, इलीगल, inclining, declining. A4 these garbage dumps pose health as well as environment hazard. Second है when was the first cleaning brigade launched. A5 solutions for overcoming the problems of garbage are first है wet garbage and dry garbage should be managed at individual level. Second, strict rules should be implemented for the people who do not follow the rules of garbage management. Third, there should be a ban on the things like plastic, thermocol, etc. and promote use of cloth bags. Fourth, awareness about the management of the garbage to be given to the people in the society. Question number 4 का B है summary writing. Read the passage given in question number 4A and write the summary of it. Suggest a suitable title to your summary. Answers to question number 4B. Cleanliness Marshals of Delhi. ये इसका टाइटल है. Disposal of garbage is a matter of great concern in all the Indian cities, especially in most colonies of Delhi. This is because of large-scale mismanagement of garbage disposal. According to the statistics, 5% of Delhi's land mass is being choked by garbage, thus turning the land into a wasteland. Not only this, the locality is threatened with various environmental hazards, leading to unhygienic living conditions. The local people thus becoming victims to diseases like tuberculosis, dysentery, and numerous skin ailments. The need of the hour is to adopt scientific ways of garbage management. After detailed research, I zeroed on an indigenous scheme, i.e., for example, deputing cleaning brigades in many colonies of Delhi. The first batch was launched during the Asiad. Since its inception, it has been constantly expanding. Today, they are managing solid waste for at least 25,000 Delhiites. An incredible job. Hats off to those cleanliness marshals. सेक्शन 5 राइटिंग स्केल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का ए है लेटर राइटिंग 5 मार्क्स. A1 इनफॉर्मल लेटर और A2 फॉर्मल लेटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5A लेटर राइटिंग A1 और A2 डू एनी वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्टिविटीज 5 मार्क्स. Suppose you are Ramesh Pallavi Chavan from Sai Sadan Renapur. Read the advertisement given below and attempt any one of the letters given below it. Tree Plantation Drive, an initiative by Nagar Panchayat Renapur. Let's plant on 15th July 2020 at government schools, colleges, hospitals, streets and Nagar Panchayat. Target 500 saplings duration 1 day. Time 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Plant a tree on your birthday and watch it grow with you. Come join us, write to us for voluntary registration. Address Nagar Panchayat Main Road, Renapur. Advantages of tree plantation. Trees provide shade and fruits. Trees control soil erosion. Trees provide habitat for wildlife. Trees act as windbreak. Trees breathe in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. A1 informal letter. Write a letter to your best friend encouraging him her to take part in the tree plantation drive. Remind him her about his her birthday is on the same eventful day. Tell him her the advantages of the drive. A2 formal letter. Write a letter to the organizer of the event requesting him her to register your name as a volunteer. Also inquire about the following things: types of trees, snacks, refreshment during the event, certificate of the event, add your own points. इसका आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का ए है। अब देखिए इसमें डेट जो है 5 फरवरी है, 15 जुलाई के बजाय हम 15 फरवरी भी ले सकते हैं। A1 का इन्फॉर्मल लेटर है, आप उसमें से अगर क्वेश्चन में डेट चेंज हो जाए तो उसे भी आप चेंज कर सकते हैं। पल्लवी चौहान, साई सदन, एट पोस्ट रेनापुर, तालुका चिपलोन, डिस्ट्रिक्ट रत्नागिरी, 5 फरवरी 2020। डियर शिल्पा, I received your letter yesterday and happy to know your love and affection towards nature. I know your birthday falls on 15th February and you plant a tree every year and take care of it. This year I am going to bring you a big opportunity to work as a volunteer in a tree plantation drive. Recently I read a handbill circulated by Nagar Panchayat Renapur. They are arranging a tree plantation drive on your birthday. For example, on 15th February and planting around 500 saplings at government schools, colleges, hospitals, streets and Nagar Panchayat from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I know you will be very happy to join in this drive. Initiated by Nagar Panchayat Renapur, it is a big opportunity for you to be an eyewitness of tree plantation on your birthday, and I know you will enjoy the event. You already know how important trees are. They provide shade and fruits, control soil erosion, provide habitat for wildlife, act as a windbreak and balance carbon dioxide and oxygen. If you want to gift all those things to the nature on your birthday, kindly register yourself as a volunteer for the drive. I am always with you to support. Convey my regards to uncle and aunt and love to little Yatin. Hope we will meet on the day of your birthday with a broad outlook for the nature. I am a phone call away to know your decision. Your loving friend Pallavi Chavan. A2 formal letter. Pallavi Chavan, Sai Sadan, at post Renapur, Taluka Chiplun, District Ratnagiri, 5th February 2020. To the organizer, Tree Plantation Drive, Nagar Panchayat Renapur, District Ratnagiri. Subject, registration as a volunteer. Respected sir, I read the handbill circulated by you about tree plantation drive which is to be taken place on 15th February 2020. It is really a good initiative taken by you to protect trees and help the nature to grow. I am one of the trees lovers who knows the benefits of planting trees and its usefulness to the surrounding areas. I always have a love and affection towards trees. So when I read about your tree plantation drive, I decided to be a part of it as a volunteer. It is really a big opportunity for me to be an eyewitness of planting 500 saplings. It is really a great joy to see the plant or tree growing, sown or planted by us. Kindly register my name as a volunteer for this tree plantation drive. and help me to contribute for the nature. I would also like to know whether you are honoring with the certificate of participation or not. Are you going to make an arrangement of snacks, refreshments during the event? Hope you will intimate me about my registration as early as possible. Thanking you, yours sincerely, Pallavi Chavan. B1 dialogue writing. Question number 5 B1 or B2. Do any one of the following 5 marks. First, I prepare a dialogue from jumbled sentences. A. Could you finish all the questions in time? B. Question number 5 and 6 were difficult for me. A. Which questions were difficult for you? B. Yes, I could. Second, I complete the dialogue. A. Do you like to hear bedtime stories? B. Dash. A. Which stories do you like to hear the most? B. Dash. Third, I write a dialogue on preparation for the exams between you and your friend. Minimum 3 meaningful exchanges. 3 marks. Or B2 drafting a speech. Imagine that you are the captain of Kho team of your school. You are asked to deliver a speech on hard work, a key to success. Use the following points in your draft. Hard work, no shortcuts to success. Stay motivated, set a goal, proper planning, consistency, perseverance. Answers to question number 5. B1 dialogue writing. First, A. Could you finish all the questions in time? B. Yes, I could. A. Which questions are difficult for you? B. Question number 5 and question number 6 were difficult for me. 2. A. Do you like to hear bedtime stories? B. Yes, I like them very much. A. Which stories do you like to hear the most? B. I like to hear adventure stories most. 3. Preparation for the examination. Hi Deepu, how is your preparation for the coming exam? Deepu, almost everything is done. Last minute preparation is going on. That's great. How do you do this? Deepu, I read each and every chapter of every subject and try to solve the activities given in it for practice. That's really useful. I will do the same. Thanks for the tips. Deepu, you are welcome and wish you all the best for preparation and exams too. Thanks a lot and wish you the same. और सेकेंड एक्टिविटी देखते हैं स्पीच का. B2 एक्टिविटी है ड्राफ्टिंग अ स्पीच. हार्ड वर्क अ की टू सक्सेस. Hello my dear teammates and friends. We are going to play the final kabaddi match at state level, so kindly pay attention to what I am going to tell you. You have been putting your heart and soul and I am aware about it. All of you know that the achievements without hard work is impossible. Nothing is easy to be achieved in life without doing our hard work. Thomas Edison, the great scientist, worked for 21 hours a day. Mahatma Gandhi worked day and night for the freedom of our country. There were no holidays in their calendar. So, so we should follow their examples and stay motivated. We need to have proper planning to achieve our set goal. Everyone is well prepared here, so we want to be very much alert in every situation. Very few days are left for the final. You might have heard that the constant vigilance and preparedness to work is the price we have to pay for the success in life. We want to make efforts endlessly. There should be a continuous practice and perseverance in our effort to achieve a great success. To all of us, we need to focus on our goal. With our good coordination and self-discipline, I know we can do anything on the ground for a team. I hope all of you are ready to enjoy the joy and pleasure of victory. So keep away from flattery favoritism, egotism, and concentrate on your own game and efforts. Success will be ours. Thank you very much and wish you all the very best in the forthcoming matches. Thank you. Question number 6. A. Information transfer 5 marks. A1 or A2. Do any one of the following activities. A1. Non-verbal to verbal. Read the information given in the following table. Write a paragraph based on it. Give a suitable title to it. Summer, rainy season, winter. Duration February to May. June to September. October to January. Climate very hot, cloudy, chilled, cold. Festivals, fairs, Melas, Gauri and Ganesh festivals, Deepavali, Dashera, work of farmers, ploughing fields, sowing seeds, or A2 verbal to non-verbal. Read the information given below and represent it in the form of tree diagram. Give a suitable title to it. There are two classes of sugar, natural sugar and processed sugar. What the common man uses is generally processed sugar. Fructose, glucose and maple syrup are natural sugars. Maple syrup is very popular in America. It can be purchased from health food shops. Another natural sugar is honey, which is available in many forms and flavors. Processed sugar, raw cane sugar, white sugar and soft brown sugar can be classified according to the stages in the process at which they are produced in the refineries. Raw cane sugar is an early stage in the process of making white sugar. It is of two types, Barbados and Demerara. Soft brown sugar is made from either raw cane or white sugar. White sugar is the most widely consumed sugar. Sugar granules, icing sugar, cube sugar, castor are some of the various kinds available in the market. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 ए का आंसर है A1 है नॉन वर्बल टू वर्बल सीजन्स इन इंडिया. Seasons refer to the different times of the year that are precipitated by a difference in climate, weather, and therefore the activities that people can engage in also differ. There are three main seasons in India, with summer, rainy, and winter. Summer, which is called pre-monsoon season, which starts from February and ends in May. This is the hottest season in which different fairs and melas are held. Farmers do the ploughing work and get ready for the monsoon. Monsoon is the second season in India, going from June through September. The climate is cloudy and wet everywhere. People celebrate different festivals like Gauri and Ganesh Chaturthi. Farmers sow their seed and wait for harvest. Winter is the third season, which sets in around the month of October and ends in January. It is the coldest season, therefore people wear warm clothes. People celebrate Deepavali and Dashera in this season. Farmers get their harvest and sow the seeds. Seasons in India are the most anticipated occasions, as they are used to capitalize on the different activities for the different times of the year. Or A2 verbal to non-verbal classes of sugar. Classes of sugar, ये ट्री डायग्राम बना रहे हैं हम. Classes of sugar, natural sugar, processed sugar. Natural sugar में है fructose, glucose, maple, honey. Maple में आता है ये popular in America, honey, many forms and flavors available. Processed sugar में आता है raw cane sugar, early stage of white sugar, soft brown sugar and white sugar. Barbados and Demerara. रॉ कैन शुगर जो है वो आता है रॉ कैन और वाइट शुगर से। उसके बाद में से वाइट शुगर इज़ वाइडली कंज्यूम्ड। वाइट वाइट शुगर को और बांटा जाता है, तकसीम किया जाता है डिफरेंट काइंड्स में, जैसे कि शुगर ग्रैन्यूल्स, आइसिंग शुगर, क्यूब शुगर एंड कैस्टर। Question number 6b. Expand the theme. 5 marks. B1 or B2 news report or develop a story. Do any one of the following. B1 news report. Read the following headline and prepare a news report with the help of the given points. 10-year-old saves a drowning girl. Headline, dateline, intro, short continuing paragraph. Or B2 developing a story. Develop a story with the following beginning. Suggest a suitable title. Once there was a poor boy named Sumit. He had a rich friend Rohit. They were. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 बी का आंसर है B1 है न्यूज रिपोर्ट। 10-year-old saves a drowning girl. Nashik, 26th July. A 10-year-old boy from Nashik is being hailed as a hero after he helped a 4-year-old girl from drowning at his apartment complex pool yesterday. I went underwater and then I swam around. Then I saw her and I thought she was playing around, Pratik Patil said. But four-year-old Mukta wasn't playing around. She had wandered into the deep of the pool and couldn't swim. Pratik found her unconscious at the bottom. He went down and pulled her out with all his might, then called for help. With the help of the people around, she was given first aid. When the girl started to cough and opened her eyes, everyone was happy. By then, her parents also reached the spot and praised Pratik for his great deed, and then Mukta was taken to the hospital. The secretary of the complex, the local police inspector, and the people from the complex praised Pratik and was felicitated with loads of gifts. It was indeed a memorable incident for him. Or B2, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Once there was a poor boy named Sumit. He had a rich friend Rohit. They were very close with each other from their school days. Rohit was a spoiled kid of a rich businessman, and Sumit was a cultured boy from a farmer's family. They studied together up to their graduation. After finishing his graduation, Sumit started working as a clerk in one of the credit societies which was run by Rohit's father. He was happy with the job, but one of the employees who was not happy with Sumit's appointment started troubling him, insulting him and blaming him unnecessarily. One day he kept some money in Sumit's bag and told everyone that Sumit has stolen the money from the counter. The news reached Rohit and his father, but Rohit was sure that his friend would not do such kind of mischief, so he checked the CCTV cameras in which the employee was found red-handed for blaming Sumit. He was terminated immediately and Sumit was promoted in his place as chief accountant. Section number 6 Skill development. Question number 7 Translation. 5 marks. A. Translate the following words into your medium of instruction. Any for 2 marks. 1. Success. 2. Test. 3. Common. 4. Happy. 5. Market. 6. Difficult. B. Translate the following sentences into your medium of instruction. Any 2 marks. First, trees are our best friends. Second, reading books is a very good habit. 3. I like comedy movies. 4. India is my country. C. Translate the following idioms, proverbs into your medium of instruction. Anyone. 1 mark. 1. Service to man is service to God. 2. A stitch in time saves 9. इसके आंसर है ए. सक्सेस कामयाबी. 2. टेस्ट आजमाइश. 3. कॉमन आम. 4. हैप्पी खुश. 5. मार्केट बाजार. 6. डिफ़िकल्ट मुश्किल. बी का पहला है दरख्त हमारे बेहतरीन दोस्त हैं. दूसरा, किताबें पढ़ना एक अच्छी आदत है। तीसरा, मुझे मज़ाहिया फ़िल्में पसंद हैं। चौथा, भारत मेरा देश है, भारत मेरा मुल्क है। सी, पहला है खिदमत खल्क ही खिदमत खालिक है। दूसरा, वक्त पर की गई एक तदबीर आगे की 100 मुसीबतों से नजात देती है। उम्मीद है आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगले वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। खुदा हाफिज़।